I need to earn the respect, man. You know what I'm saying? I got out the mud, how I turned nothing to something. Yeah, that thing nice. Nah, I ain't gonna tint them, bitch. Don't leave them just like that. Yeah, it's doing 2 times. Hey, Buddha. Yeah,
It's doing time. I do everything. Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. Check out my podcast, doing lifestyle. I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah, subscribe. I do everything. Yeah, I'm coming like a train. Took the horn up. You know I'm doing my fucking thing.
What's good with the YouTube, man? We're back with another video, man. The video that y'all about to see, man, I just need y'all to watch this video because I feel like I need to earn some of my respect. I need to earn the respect, man. You know what I'm saying? So the video that I'm dropping, man, this is my old video back then before I even like kind of blew up on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So I just want y'all to show, man, how I got out the mud, how I turned nothing to something. You know what I'm saying? It's just piece by piece type thing. You know what I'm saying? So we just doing this video today, man, to let y'all know, man. Y'all comment below if y'all want to see some more of the videos that y'all haven't seen, and also to my new subscribers, for the ones that haven't seen the videos, if y'all want me to do more videos of this stuff, let me know. But y'all comment below, man. I'm gonna show y'all, hey, this is why it's getting out the mud and why I earn the name, why I do what I do, and why I'm good at doing what I'm doing. So check this Cutlass out, man. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I got a 86 Cutlass. I got the Cutlass off a trade. I bought a car for $700. I swapped out. A guy wanted a liable car. Swapped out. Bought this Cutlass. So basically, I got this Cutlass for $700. All right, so if y'all can see the flaws, it got a little damage and stuff like that, a little rust stuff on the trunk. No trunk latch. This car was red. As y'all can see, they got it painted. I forgot what color it was at first, but like the door barely open. The inside was kind of dirty. It was clean, but it was dirty inside. So only thing I knew was, man, it's a Cutlass. Somebody want to trade me a Cutlass. Had the motor in it, had a 5.3 motor with the carburetor on it. So I wanted it because this actually was my first LS swap. So that's one of the reasons I got the car. All right, guys, so if you look at the car, man, you can see the potential and stuff it has in it. But also you can tell whoever had it messed it up. All right, so right here in this spot right here, there was the alternator. I'm gonna pop the hood, but the alternator is sitting tall, which is causing a dent in the hood. I didn't understand that when they did the swap, why they did. Actually, they said it wasn't a 5.3. They said it was a 6.0 motor. That's what I was told. Got the gauge and stuff right there, man. Everything was good, man. So what I did was came home, parked it for a little minute, see what I can do with it, kind of put my eyeballs on it, you know what I'm saying? If y'all can see the tips red. I don't know why they painted the tips. So I'm gonna show y'all, this is the inside of it. This is what she looked like. You know what I'm saying? She got the peanut butter inside. Like I said, she's clean. She's just a little dirty, especially the carpet. So I crank it up.
You know you gotta turn your fan
Turn my
on.
fans on. I had to make that because the fans didn't cut on at first. So I had to make a little switch for the fans. As y'all can hear, man, it sound good.
What she sound like?
It sound good, man. But I do notice the difference on the
86?
carburetor version on this car than the LS. I mean, then thought about it. So look how tall the damn alternator is. Alternator is tall as hell. Got a lot of wires. You know what I'm saying? Them the wire to the fan. Hit on a little bit. So I don't know why they didn't put the alternator sideways. They also got 2 batteries in the car. Notice they got the red top batteries, but it's like every time I crank the car, the battery dies. I didn't know why. Something was left on. That's what I was told at the time. So you see that big dent right there on the door? So I told myself, man, I gotta figure how to do this. So I was trying to find parts. I couldn't really find parts. It was high. Part was like $400 for a fender. You know what I'm saying? So I said, you know what? I'm gonna buy another Cutlass. I seen a Cutlass for $800. So I got a Cutlass for $800. So I was waiting on the shipper to come, you know what I'm saying, drop the car off. So right now I'm taking the fender off. Why is that car coming? So I'm taking the bolt, so I had to take the hood off because the hood latch right here was attached to the hood, and I don't think this bolt would have came out. So I just took that off. So right now, man, we're gonna see that big dent right there, and then there's actually another dent in the top. So I had to take all these bolts out. This is actually my first time changing fenders. So you see all this stuff was loose. So something he must have hit in this car. I'm not sure. And you can see where the alternator was hitting it. So there's no way I could have got that fixed, in my knowledge. So it was pointless. And then, so I was like, man, I probably got to get a damn cow hood, because I didn't know that I can actually change it sideways. A lot of people were telling me, but I didn't know. So I was like, man, I probably got to get a cow hood, because look how tall this damn alternator is. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, all right, let me take the fender off. So I got to taking the fender off and stuff like that, as I'm happy and excited. It's my first time taking the fender off. So y'all can see a lot of stuff. This little piece right there at the top, that piece was bent in, all that stuff, man. So whoever had the car had potential, but they didn't know what they were doing. So all the dents and stuff. So I removed that. My Cutlass came. Boom. A brand new. Well, my Cutlass came. I bought this Cutlass for $700. Got the cow hood and had the fenders and stuff on. I really bought it for parts to put on. So actually I took the fender off. That was the hard part. And when I say I had to take the whole damn door off just to take the fender part off, I had to take that down just to get through them bolts, because, man, when I say, you know, the car been sitting up for a while, so I just had to do that. So I had to take that off, man. So I went back to the fender part just to see what all I had to take off, save my bolts and stuff like that. So, boom, I put it on this car. As y'all can see, I'm starting to try to line everything up, man. But if you can look right here, you see the little crease. You see all that stuff like that, man. The door was actually a little bend. So I definitely have to see how in the hell I'm gonna fix this, man. So that's why OTM, man, I feel like I earned that name out the mud, because that's getting out the mud, man. Getting a parts car and putting it on together, you know what I'm saying, and getting this shit out the mud, man. So bringing this car back alive. So as y'all can see, man, I got the hood. So this hood actually got the cow hood. But notice on this hood, in the middle, they just really just put on top, because you look in the middle of the hood, the cow hood, it still got the hood on it. So I had to actually cut the hole out. And trash when she was getting my carburetor at the time, you know what I'm saying? Because I had the hole out. But y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Let me show y'all why. This is the whole car, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the fender stuff. And you look up, if you really look close to it, a lot of shit put together. Now, I had to get the light. So I went ahead and found the light at the junkyard. All this stuff, man, I had to sand down. I had to do most of the sanding myself just to get it somewhere. So I had everything lined up, man, nice and neat. Everything lined up. I feel like it was too close to the door, but I started opening the door. Everything was good. So I was just excited. This is what she looked like, you know what I'm saying? So, man, the Cutlass is coming a long way, as y'all can see right now. So I already had got some wheels for it, some 24s. Now I just put these two sides on. If you notice on the front where that fender, it's kind of cut, got a gap. Now it was already like that. So I'm gonna take the chrome and stuff off, man. I'm gonna have to blend all this stuff in. Actually, my front wheel is flat, so they had 255 instead of the 245, I think, for the 24s. So then, man, I had to show y'all that one rim I had to go get, you know what I'm saying? I had to get that fixed as well. And I bought these rims for like $500. So let me tell y'all why it's OTM, man, getting out the mud. Let me tell y'all why y'all subscribe. So my brother wanted this car, and y'all see my box Chevy, man. I end up in my Suburban. I end up painting my wheels the same color my car at the time. I thought it was cool, but I didn't like it. So my brother wanted this car, this new. So I sold it to him, I think, for $600 after I got all my parts and stuff off of it. It was either $600 or $400, one of the two. But this car still got potential. Now the insides and stuff, it was kind of loose and everything. So we wasn't worried about that, man. It was basically just for the parts. Now if y'all can see this car, man, like I said, I got this car for $700 and got all my parts off of it and still was good. Now I think my brother ended up selling this car period of time. But hey, I put the hood back on and I put the fenders and stuff back on just to make this car look okay. Now, me personally, I wish now if I knew I would have kept it. All right, so the rims. So I went, got my new tires put on, got the tire fixed, you know what I'm saying? So I had to do that, boom, take off the wheels, and all this is like within weeks, you know what I'm saying? Weeks of time, I just had a vision. So I'm taking the wheels off, boom, I'm checking everything, painting my calipers, all right, getting the wheels, putting them on, and I'm talking about grinding. These the ones that y'all probably miss of this channel, you know what I'm saying? So I started bending some stuff back. This is actually my first time putting 24s on a Cutlass, man. So if y'all can see the body work, I started sanding down. I didn't do a good job, but I'm gonna take this off and go from there. All right, so now we got it running, driving, everything. We got the wheels on, we got all 4 wheels on. So now we finna hop in this thing and see. All right, so I'm testing the car out. As y'all can see, she looks good. Then you know what? Turn around, boom. At the crib, I said, man, you know what? I like this car, man. I'm starting to feel this car, you know what I'm saying? But in my mind, I'm like, something's missing. Something is missing with this car. So I was just like, what color should I go with this car? Now, mind y'all, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Send it to Vicksburg. All right, so we picking the car up, man. I sent the car out. The car was gone about a month and a half. So this is what the car turns out look like. So in my mind, I'm like, something's still missing, but I do love it. I got the paint. As y'all can see, everything look good. Look at the cow hood, man. When I say he did a good job modifying everything, got it on the trailer, load the car up. I was just like, man, yeah, okay. I think I'm missing something. So y'all like, comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think. So I feel like I'm missing something. So I'm like, okay, well, if y'all can see, I got the U-Haul truck, man, the U-Haul trailer. I was not playing no game. So now I'm finna get my ass to the house. All right, so I made it home. Y'all can hear. I'm gonna let y'all hear this thing, see what she sound like.
A car coming from that way.
Y'all can tell me she don't sound good. Getting it out the trailer, doing all this shit by myself. Out the middle. Check this out. Look at the lights. Check the stall out. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, she sound good and everything. Got a stall. Now I think the transmission was a 350 transmission to the LS motor, to the 6.0. She didn't have that extra gear. You know what I'm saying? So nigga excited, man. Check the car out, man. Y'all let me know what the car look like. For the ones that haven't seen this car, let me know what it looked like. What y'all think, man? Y'all see the progress, man, from the old car, from the parts car, from the fender work, from the body work, to the paint shop, from the rims, from all this. So I put it in the driveway, man. I'm like, man, you know what? I'm gonna put some motherfucking gold on it, dude. So fuck it. We got the gold on it. All real gold. Shout out to All Real Gold paint. This all of a paint can. You know what I'm saying? So I started to burn out a little bit, but I'm gonna do this. It's kind of like one of our first little burnouts. So, you know, we doing that, man. We going to our little spot, man. As y'all can tell by the outside atmosphere, it is cold. So I'm out there cold. But tell me she do not look good. I'm telling you, man, I be doing this. And I'm just, you know, hitting on it and seeing what she'll do. So I just need y'all to see this. And this is why I earn what I do. This is why I earn the respect, man, the name, the channel, man, the YouTube, the following, the growing, the showing people, man, the motivation. This is why I earn it, bro. Like, I literally missed this Cutlass. So I'm really thinking about doing it again. But I just need y'all to comment below, man. Let me know what y'all want. Do y'all want me to, like, what do y'all want? I ain't gonna even say it. Y'all tell me what y'all want, man. And y'all can comment below. And I'm gonna get this shit done. Because I'm gonna prove to y'all, and this is what I do. So this is why I'm coming back. So thank y'all for watching the video.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box